Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about some common skincare mistakes that every woman makes and how to avoid them. These tips will help you get the most out of your skincare routine and achieve that radiant, healthy skin you've always wanted. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, overwashing your face. Washing your face too often can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Stick to cleansing twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, to keep your skin balanced. Mistake number 2, using hot water. Hot water can damage your skin and cause it to dry out. Always use lukewarm water when washing your face and rinsing off products. Mistake number 3, skipping sunscreen. This is a big one. Even on cloudy days or when you're indoors, UV rays can still harm your skin. Make sure to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even if you're just staying inside. Mistake number 4, not moisturizing enough. All skin types need hydration, even oily skin. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it daily to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Mistake number 5, over-exfoliating. While exfoliation is great for removing dead skin cells, doing it too often can cause irritation and damage. Stick to exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week with a gentle exfoliant. Mistake number 6, ignoring your neck and décolletage. Your neck and chest need care too. Extend your skincare routine to these areas to keep them looking youthful and radiant. Mistake number 7, using expired products. Expired skincare products can be ineffective or even harmful. Always check the expiration dates and replace products as needed. Mistake number 8, not patch testing new products. Before introducing a new product into your routine, do a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any adverse reactions. This can save you from potential irritation or allergic reactions. Mistake number 9, sleeping with makeup on. Never go to bed with your makeup on. It can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Make sure to thoroughly remove all makeup before you sleep. Mistake number 10, not drinking enough water. Hydration starts from within. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your skin hydrated and can improve its overall appearance. And there you have it. These are some common skincare mistakes that many women make. By avoiding these, you can improve your skincare routine and achieve healthier, glowing skin. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare and beauty content. Let me know in the comments if you have any other skincare tips or questions. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.
Bye.